got it.
Happy Friday, stock watchers. Welcome to the Daily Stock Report, brought to you by QualityStocks.net, where performance is tracked daily. I'm Chris Hambright, and for Friday, March 9th, we're bringing you the latest news from around the markets, as well as the top movers to look out for today. In our headline news, with the bears yesterday failing to more convincingly consolidate gains after the major indices turned in their best performances of the year a day earlier, evidence that a market bottom has been put in place, at least for now, helped pave the way for the bulls to pick up more bargains. Investors also took some comfort from a rebound in overseas markets, which again showed signs of stabilization, fueled in part by further deterioration of the yen. If you'll recall, the yen rally last week exacerbated concerns about the potential unwinding of carry trades, leading to a global liquidity crunch. While we didn't attach a great deal of credence to the Asian market rally overnight as the driving catalyst behind yesterday's broad-based rebound, knowing the tail doesn't wag the dog, there was no denying that the market's tone of late sentiment has shifted away from overly pessimistic to, let's say, cautiously optimistic. Further underscoring the improved tone was the market's resilience in the face of weak February same-store sales. According to retail metrics, nearly two-thirds of retailers missed forecasts, while the International Council of Shopping Centers sales rose a modest 2.4%, the smallest gain since last March, and well below the projected range of 2.5% to 3%. The coldest February since 1979 sidelined shoppers searching for spring fashions. Among the top sectors trading higher yesterday, telco, believe it or not, turned in the best performance, due in large to a part by an analyst upgrade on Dow component AT&T. Materials was also up more than 1%, led by the best performing S&P industry group, steel. Nucor, as a matter of fact, is soaring 6% following an upbeat quarter one outlook. Albeit closing well of its best levels of the session, financials still provided the bulk of yesterday's leadership. Beaten down brokerage and bank stocks were big attractions among the bargain hunters. However, renewed worries within the subprime mortgage space late in the day prompted some sector consolidation. In our small cap news today, our small cap headlines are brought to you by My Automated Advisor. Pioneers in the automated advisory services industry, they have launched a groundbreaking advisory platform, finally giving clients integrated access to trade alerts with properly licensed investment advisor representatives. China 3C Group, the Eastern Chinese equivalent of Best Buy Incorporated, made news when the company reported late last month, that a revenue increase of 355% from $32.6 million in 2005 to $148.2 million in 2006. Revenue for the fourth quarter ended December 31st, 2006. The sales boost was due in part to the company's acquisition of two electronic retailers, Sanhei Electronic Technology and Shanghai Joy and Harmony Electronics Company, and signed distribution and sales agreements with several other companies. Previously at $5.42 a share, China 3C Group opens up today 14% at $6.21 a share. 5G Wireless announced today that the signing of contracts to provide pay-per-view use wireless internet access to 190 timeshare units at the Pepper Tree Ocean Club and Avery Wild Wing Plantation in Myrtle Beach. The company utilizes the G4 650 broadband Wi-Fi device designated to cover large indoor areas and can provide up to 5 times the coverage of traditional Wi-Fi devices. 5G engages in the development and manufacture of wireless broadband communications equipment to universities and municipalities. Previously at 12 cents a share, 5G Wireless opens up today, up 25% or 15 cents a share. And that's it for the newsmakers, everyone. Stay tuned right here to the Quality Stocks Daily Report for your current updates. And be sure to join us every market day for the latest commentary on small cap to large cap and everything in between, brought to you by QualityStocks.net. Thank you for tuning in. I'm Chris Hambright. Have a great weekend, and we'll see you next Monday right here on the Daily Report.
You've got it.